Hello everyone, how are you today? I got some updates for you about some drawings and things that I'm working on. Did a big doodle here yesterday and a couple of people liked that one, so I'm going to be doing more of those. My update that I'm going to talk about is if you have any drawing suggestions or something you want me to draw, just go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. In the future I will be having a site or something that you can just put everything on there. It doesn't matter what the suggestion is, it could be anything. Digital or traditional. Right now I'm doing mostly traditional drawing with rotring isograph and some sharpies. But if you want me to do some digital, I can try that. I'm not as experienced with digital, but I feel like I'm getting there. I'm also going to be doing more reviews of art supplies, such as sketchbooks and the pens that I use. I'll have a top 10 of different pens that are my favorite markers, my favorite brands of pencils. All that's going to be explained in future videos. I'll also be doing a review over the supplies that I use to record these videos, such as what webcam that I'm using, DSLR, the microphones that I'm using, the lighting setup that I have, and the tripods. When I'm making those videos, I'll leave a link in the description of all of them so you can check those out. I also wanted to mention that I have links in the description of this video where you can check some things out, support me on PayPal, support me on Patreon, and you can buy prints from me. I have some artwork that I'm scanning right now. I'm in the process of uploading it, so if there's not that many on some of the sites, I am in the process of putting more on there. I look forward to getting more artwork out there that you can all see. I also have some surprise videos I'm working on for everybody, so stick around, like, subscribe, and share this video. Check out links below, and I'll see you later.